BridgeviewAdventures, and we are at it again, guys. We got our respirators in tow. We got our gloves ready to go. We got our hint of what we're going to be doing today. Polyurethane. So you can probably see on the floor behind us, we have been really kind of putting this off doing the polyurethane. We had everything stained several weeks ago, ready to go. We went on vacation. If you guys are lucky, maybe we'll put in a few vacation pics quick. That was a nice reprieve from the work. So we came back well rested and ready to hit everything again. So we do have to get this polyurethane done in order to let it dry, and then so we can go ahead and get everything installed as far as the faux beams, the stair treads. What else do we have?
Some of the landings, the trim around where the handrailing is, the handrail posts.
Yes.
Really right now, anything that we stained with the knotty alder.
So the hard part about what we're doing right now is we don't want to do the polyurethane outside. We're in the middle of summer, August. It's really hot and humid. We don't...
Scattered showers, 40%.
Yes, so the
chance of
humidity.
scattered showers, so you really can't just leave it out there because you might get a sporadic sprinkle come by and then it's going to ruin it. Right.
So we decided to do everything indoors, plus it's cooler in here, but everything's a mess. Downstairs, the floor's been completely done, so we didn't want to ruin anything downstairs. We decided to come upstairs because this is still the raw floor. We haven't put the carpet in up here yet. So we brought everything up here, and I'll pan around. The whole closet is full, the bathroom's full, and then behind us is full of stack boards that we have to poly. So we have to use our respirators because we're indoors, and this stuff is very strong. It will make you dizzy. It's so strong.
And we couldn't really do this during the week because she's moved her office in downstairs
temporarily
in the spare bedroom temporarily to get out of the camper, and so we couldn't make the fumes because then it would permeate down below.
And we haven't really had a chance to do it during the week yet.
No.
So
I've been going into work.
We're trying to hit it on a Sunday. Now this does require 2 coats of the polyurethane, so you have to do it 6 to 8 hours apart. Or you have to sand in between. So if you can't do the 2 coats within that time frame, then you have to go back and do a sanding.
Too much to sand.
I
would sand the stair treads. That wouldn't be so bad, but I'm not doing all these boards that go on the faux beams. That's just too much.
Yeah, it's too much. So we'll show you everything that we're doing. Anything else?
Nope.
Yeah.
We chose a Minwax polyurethane for floors. It is more of a hardier because it is made for the floors. And as she said, it's we're doing it satin also, so that the satin finish matches the cabinet finish.
Yeah, that the Amish did. Yeah.
So.
Yeah, the stain matches really good, by the way. So the stain that we picked, we chose specifically to try to match our Amish cabinets that they did. Tony actually asked our Amish contractor what he used, and then so we could match that.
Yeah, so anything that is like the stair treads are made of knotty alder wood, and some of the trim, so we used the same exact stain that he got for his, but the beams are actually made of pine, and pine does not stain the same as knotty alder, so you couldn't use the same stain. It didn't look the same, so I had to go and do a color match in the store, and I found one that is, I mean, really close.
Yeah, it's almost exact. I mean, you can't really tell. So we have a busy Sunday ahead of us. It's going to take all-day process. We have other stuff to do. We've been putting up some additional spare bedroom ceiling fans, and then there's one going in here. I don't know if you can see the ceiling. We got to put that one in, but everything was in the way, so we couldn't do that last night. We got a lot of little stuff to do, so we're going to hit it hard, try to get this done today because we're really anxious to get this done. So anyway, hope you guys are enjoying some of our pole barn videos. We are really seeing, you know, the progress come together. It's starting to really look like it's ready to move in, and I'm so ready to see this, the faux beams and the stair treads and the hand railing go in because it's going to feel like it's almost complete.
And this is kind of a holding point right now. I can't put anything up until it's got a finish on it. And the beams we want to put a finish on before we put it up because it's up in the air and it'd be hard and it'd be drips, and so we want to do it all on the ground.
Yeah. So thanks for tuning in as always, And if you have any questions, leave them below for us. We'll be happy to answer anything that we know and feel like that we can answer. So thanks so much, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Okay guys, so this is the walk-in closet. So that's everything in here that we have to poly. And then this is where Tony and I just did the video out here. He's over there getting stuff ready. So there's several boards stacked on top of each other here. And then we can head over to the master bathroom. See, there's downstairs. It's looking good down there. Tony's getting her all stirred up there. No sniffing the poly, Tony. And then our bathroom. I believe everything's in the shower. There's one piece. The shower is pretty big. If someone could live in here, I'm pretty sure people probably in China live in smaller spaces than our master bath. But this is everything in here that we have. So yeah. Got a big day ahead of us. Midway through, it took us probably about 2.5 hours to do the first round of the polyurethane. So we're gonna take a fresh air break, and then we'll be back to do round 2 around 5 o'clock this evening, because you have to wait 6 to 8 hours in between each poly coat. If you wait any longer than the 8 hours, the actual recommendations on the can says that you have to sand in between. So we're not wanting to sand, we have too much, so we're just going to try to do the 2-coat method within the 68-hour time frame. Tony's right behind me. Anything else?
Nope.
All right, well, we're going to go get some fresh air, and we're tired of breathing our own breath in these things, and it's really, really stinky up here, so. We should be used to masks with COVID going on, though. I think we're half done with round 2.
Yeah, at least. How about that is?
It's about 6:30 in the evening, and we started round 2 about an hour ago.
Round 2, okay.
So we still have all these out here to get. The ones in the ladder. The ones over there in the closet. They're finished. I just finished with those. I had to bend over so my back's hurting a little bit. I'm gonna get these poles next because I can stand straight up and do those. I'm gonna start working on those, and then hopefully in another hour, hour and a half, we'll be finished. Yoo-hoo! We'll be glad to get this project done. Look, ladders come in useful for other things than climbing. It's like 8 o'clock in the evening, and we just finished all of the polyurethane. We brought some of the boards down here because Tony said to make room, they're going to be getting installed right there soon anyway. And then the barn door We had forgot that earlier with the first batch that we did, so we kind of had to go back and do that. And then the rest is up top still in the closet, the bathroom, and then the loft area. So it's been a long day. It took us all day with a break in between, and then we're getting our hay baled. You can see two of the hay bales out the window there. So it's exciting to get the land clear again. And then we'll go ahead and call it a night right here, and we'll see you guys soon.